our cookies is ready. I just want to bring it out for you to see how our cookies is looking. Look at that. I hope you guys can see. I will serve it and show you. Guys, look at that. So this is how I normally prepare my favorite butter cookies. So it's the easiest and quickest way to prepare this. Within 10 minutes or 15 minutes, 10 up to 15 minutes, you are done preparing your cookies for your kids, or you can do this for your parties or for any refreshment that you want to have. Guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, I will ask you to do so by pressing the subscribe button. Also, don't forget to press the notification bell so that anytime that I will upload the video, you will be the first person to be notified. Okay guys, thank you so much. Thank you for your support. I love you guys. Subscribe.